So what does the product engineering department do? They are responsible for figuring out what people actually want. This includes a lot of things, and then formalizing that on a product roadmap. So prioritizing those customer needs, doing experiments where we measure if those are like the right solutions, if people actually want those things. And then it gets to, if you will, like implementation phase, which includes the experiments as well. What's really special about Bitrise engineering specifically, is that it's an environment where you have challenging goals, but also have the freedom and responsibility with it. So you can actually have an influence on what things we will change, how we will improve things, and how we will deliver products. You own the whole thing. It's not like you just write your code and then pass it to another team who will then maintain it. You have nothing else to do with it. It's your responsibility. And that's also why it's very important to focus on improvements in the teams. So speaking about things like postmortems, which are very, very important in Bitrise. When something goes south, we are able to discuss those, what happened, why that happened, not blaming anyone, but properly assessing what was the problem and how we could eliminate or avoid those issues, what we have to change or improve in the system. Every single team consists of 3 leaders, if you will, one product, a product owner, and an engineering manager who's responsible for the team's personal development, and a tech lead who's responsible for the technical side of the team. So like what they are planning, what they own, the services, that those are technically implemented in the right way. So you have to be the type who wants to have impact on things, because in Bitrise, as I mentioned, like things are constantly changing. It's not for the type of people who want to do the same thing every single day, because that's not what you will do here. Here you will be involved in the whole life cycle of product development. You will be responsible for working with your team, working with the product side of the team to prioritize things we will be working on, and then obviously to implement the things as quickly and effectively as possible.